I don't know whether you know where we stopped yesterday at our house. Now these bricks are done. I have to bring more bricks. You guys, building is not for the weak. Building is not for the weak. So I have to bring more bricks today, like maybe 4,000. These were 10,000. Yeah, 10,000. That shows you how big the house is, because we are still at the foundation, but it is done. About, I think, eight cars of sand, and today I'm getting another one, like 2 of them. So we are going to see where we are at. I hope you remember where we stopped yesterday. So today we are going to see where we are at. Wetutuse. Hello, aliyo bachapiri. I also reduced on the workers. Kyekyo kizza ekikutemu. So this is where we are at right now. Currently, that is the current situation. I hope you remember where we stopped yesterday. So this is where we are at now. Before the end of the day, it is currently, I think, 2 p.m. and by evening tunalaba wetubeera wetuli. Oyomba ki?
Omusajja ateekawo bbulooka bulungi mwana. Nzira bazimu nze kukubirawo. Teekamu ssebo wali amaanyi gaffe zireeta wani. Ndowe ndaba nga bbulooka emenya. Bwe zikutuukako butuufu.
Omwana kyembadde ndibagamba so kyakadde olibuuza wali eri. But anyways, this is what I was just telling you. Yeah. That is me. We are going to eat that chicken in the night or in the evening. So it's eating its last lunch today. You guys, they are expensive. That is a cock, but cocks here are so expensive. Actually, chickens, hens, cocks, whatever, they are so expensive. So it is just taking its last lunch. Yeah, because it is going to be slaughtered later in the day. Okay? Yeah.
kusumbu. Enku simbi, enku simbi sikutufanya. Teka mwezi kale jaga aneze kumwe. Ndio ni kumamuli ateka mutese bali jongo. Mutese yakubira mwabungu. Oyo yakali malanga likamukanga bya. Ndio jongo abanye afuka pizza kala abirwa mwezi naina kubera mutugavu
Take a picture.
Now, why not come but better than go to oh, she got on the way back.
Bali bagisimba
siza ebinga nyingi bagiteekawa